So coming back to where we started this video with, I've prepared another flow where we have a bit more going on, but we still have the button as we saw before. So whenever I press that button, you can still see the toggle being toggled whenever we press it or release it. And we can see that in Figma as well. So when we press it, it toggles. But then I also have hooked up this potentiometer to Figma. So whenever we turn the potentiometer, you can see all kinds of values going back and forth. And we can first see this again in the graph. So whenever we turn this potentiometer, you see a lot of signals going all over the place. But eventually they end up at Figma here, as you can see. So I go from microflow, the tool, it's sending the signals, and eventually they come back to Figma, the plugin. And in our Figma prototype, we can now indeed see these values actually changing the prototype or the UI. So I twist or turn this knob, and that changes the variables in Figma. So if I open the variables tab, you can see the variables being changed, and therefore your prototype or your UI will update.